Hello everyone, my name is John from AMBOHR, your reliable supplier of technical products. We provide systematic solutions and comprehensive protection. The product we have today is the OK Ozone Plant Air Purifier, model number OAP-206. Let's take a look at the product's features. It removes air pollutants by giving out 8 million ppc per cubic centimeter of negative ions. It freshens air and is a plug-and-play product, making the product maintenance-free. To top it off, the product is stylish and can add to a room decor. This makes it not only an air purifier but also a lovely plant made of artificial grass, bringing modern style. It has a great design, making it a great gift for your friends and family. Let's take a look at the product. We have an instruction manual, the product itself, and a USB cable. The product's weight is 200 grams, that makes it light and portable. It can be used in offices, living rooms, and bedrooms. It takes an input of 5 volts of direct current. Let's test the product. As you can see, the product itself does not have any modes because it's a plug-and-play product. Connected to the USB charger or computer with the cable included in the package, and the product will start ionizing and purifying the air automatically with the indication light on. The product does not only come in this design but in 2 other designs. To turn the product off, disconnect it from its power cable. For more information about this product, customization and purchasing, please visit our website okalibaba.com, which is okayalibaba.com, okozone.com, or ambohr.com, which is ambohr.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you make requests, we do the rest.